Buddy gonna have food? Are you? Yeah? Pet bird? This is the food that we got for the pet bird. It's cornflakes. A pet bird really loves cornflakes. Yeah, but sometimes the pet bird's not hungry. You can see it's not flying away when I get close. See? It's not flying away when I get close. That means it's our pet bird. I'm just going to get a bit more closer to see a bit more better. Pet bird, how you doing? Happy? Say hello to the viewers. Hello. I'm trying to. He's going to do it in bed language.
Why?
Wait, don't. Ali's brother is my brother.
No.
Pet bird is gonna come, okay?
No.
Sorry, that was my action. Stand up. I do see a pet bird. Might be a girl or boy, we don't know. We're gonna see after the pet bird. Maybe babies or no. I hope so. Because they will have eggs. And one time a pet bird went up on that street light. And here we are in Tenerife. This is our pet bird in Tenerife. I hope it meets us when we go home.
Oh.
Oh, sorry. Guys.
Bag.
Oh no. Ow! I just hurt myself with a palm tree. I'm gonna get to our birdie. Birdie. I think Birdie gonna go now. Bye, Birdie. Bye, Birdie. You can come back whenever you want.